Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved use Audi SQ5 Edition 1 S-Tronic, finished in the modern Mythos Black metallic paintwork. This 2025 model comes with a petrol engine with 367 PS, quattro 4-wheel drive and automatic transmission, delivering a 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. The top features include the striking matrix LED headlights that animate when the car is unlocked, paired with dynamic front and rear indicators and a rear light bar for great visibility, large 21-inch alloy wheels with red brake calipers, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, black roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek SQ5 badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors, paired with front and rear parking cameras that make up a 360-degree view of your vehicle for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric boot lid that reveals a spacious 475-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or a weekend road trip. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims with the S logo, along with the Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders, ISOFIX points for secure child seats, and a rear climate control with 2 USB-C charging ports. The front houses a multifunctional flat top and flat bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger touchscreen display, along with a large central touch display, central console, and embossed front full leather seats that are electrically adjustable and have a massage option. From here, you can also access a sunroof that can fully open up to let the fresh air in, which is perfect for those warm summer drives or even just to gain some extra natural lighting during those cold winter drives from the glass roof. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting, where you can choose from a range of different colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. This is alongside choosing from various headlight and rear light bar displays and animations. This is complemented with choosing from multiple front seat massage patterns and intensities. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort, off-roading, or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing and 360-degree camera when manoeuvring the vehicle, in addition to accessing the park assist function. From the same screen, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated and ventilated front seats that are also available, in addition to a heated steering wheel option. Moving across, the passenger touchscreen display holds similar features as the central display, such as radio and telephone connection and navigation for extra assistance during travels. The passenger can also have access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as their own seat massage settings and intensities. This is alongside the central console that features a wireless phone charging pad with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals the hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.